National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for James River from Jamestown to the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, York River, until 6:45 p.m. York River, at 5:39 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northwest of Urbana Inlet to 17 nautical miles southwest of Burnwell Bay, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts between 40 to 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Burwell Bay, Irvington, Gwynns Island, Dominion Pier, Pilgrim Bay, Urbana Inlet, Coleman Bridge, Hampton River Inlet, James River Bridge, Hampton Flats, Monitor Merrimack Bridge Tunnel, Sewell's Point, Longs Creek Inlet, Whitestone Bridge and Pocosin. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Issued at 5:04 p.m.